Hello, my name is Kainton the Genius, and today we are going to swap two numbers without using a third variable. This is something that has been confusing to many people for a long time now. The question is not whether we write the code. The question is, does it really work? Because everybody believes that for you to swap two numbers, you need a temporary variable. But the discovery shows that you don't need a temporary variable. So let's verify this claim because it may work or it may not work. So for once, let's verify this claim by writing this program using C# and then testing to see exactly if it works. Alright, so if you have Visual Studio, just open and start a new project, which I have done. If you start a new project, this is what you'll see. So let's first make sure that the window remains open. So to make sure the output remains open, always add this code as the last line of your program. So let's start with declaring two variables, int x equal to 5 int y equal to 8. So we are trying to use 5 and 8. Okay, so let's just say let's display them before the swap. Okay, so before the swap we have the two numbers to be, let's just write them out on the screen. X is equal to plus x, okay, and y is equal to plus y. Okay, so this is what we have before the swap. So if we run this program, you see that before the swap we have x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 8. Okay, so let's now use the code that we wrote to try to swap and see if actually it works. So after the swap, so let's copy the code from my presentation, this code. Maybe we just copy only the code, not the complete function. So copy, and then we go ahead to paste. Okay, so I think, alright, so this is what we have. So we are going to write exactly the same line after the swap, and then we see what values are in there. So this is what we have. So after the swap, we are still writing the same line of code that displayed them. So we are going to run it and then see how it works. So let's start. Alright, let's see. So we have, before the swap we have x is 5, y 8. After the swap, x is 8, y 5. So it swapped perfectly. So what really is happening in there? Alright, let's just take a look. Before the swap we have x is 5, y is 8. So let's see what happens here. X becomes x plus y, 13, right? So let's just write it. X becomes 13. So what happens in this place is y now becomes 13 minus what? Minus 8. Minus 8. And that gives us what? Y becomes 5. Right? Good. So in the last one, x becomes x minus y. Remember that x still holds 13, so it becomes 13 minus what? Minus the value of y this time is 5, so minus 5, which is equal to 8. So this is what happens to make the swap complete. So we are going to stop here for now. If you need this code, please put in the comment below. If you like this, leave a comment, give a thumbs up, just like this video. Please subscribe to this channel because I'll be bringing you tips every week on how to perform tasks in programming in C#, C++, Java, everything you need to know about programming. I remain Kainsson the Genius, and I would like to thank you for viewing.